हेलो चिल्ड्रन, वेलकम टू ASA एजुकेशन। आज हम कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 101 हाई स्कूल ग्रामर बुक से। यह आपका बुक 1 है ग्रामर का और टॉपिक है हमारा आज का कंजंक्शन। आपको फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स भरने हैं कंजंक्शन से। Dash somewhat pompous, he was an entertaining companion, though Mr. Johnson said, I do indeed come from Scotland, but I cannot help it. The man that stands by me in trouble, I won't bid him go until the sun shines again, or you can write till the sun shines again. Both are correct. When you are upon earth, enjoy the good things that are here, and be not melancholy. The art of pleasing is very necessary one to possess, but a very difficult one to acquire. Never maintain an argument with heat and clamor, unless you think or know yourself to be in the right. When I am in a serious humor, I very often walk by myself in Westminster Abbey. I am persuaded that the translators of the Bible were masters of an English style much fitter for the work than any we see in our present writings. He, Chaucer, must have been a man of most wonderful comprehensive nature, for he has taken into the compass of his Canterbury Tales the various manners and humours of the whole English nation in his age. It is common doom of a man that he must eat his bread by the sweat of his brow. It is a sort of paradox, but it is true. We are never more in danger than when we think ourselves most secure. I have imposed upon myself, but I have been guilty of no other imposition. One of the pleasantest things in the world is going on a journey, but I like to go by myself. I can enjoy society in a room, but out of doors, nature is company enough for me. The game of fives, is the finest exercise for the body and the best relaxation for the mind. Religion does not banish mirth, but only moderates and set rules to it. Fit words are better than fine ones. I like political changes when such changes are made as a result not of passion but of deliberation and reason. Civilized men, when let loose with the bonds of morality relaxed, is a far greater beast than the savage, more refined in his cruelty, more fiend like in every act. The man who eats in a hurry loses both the pleasure of eating and the profit of digestion. Let a man sleep when he is sleepy, and rise when the crow of the cock or the glare of the sun rouse him from his torpor. It is the greatest loss to a man if he cannot laugh. Impure air can never make a pure blood, but pure blood corrupts the whole system. Never refuse to entertain a man in your heart, though all the world is talking against him. If you would be healthy, be good. When you have a sword and a pen in your hand, wield neither the one nor the other in a spirit of insolent self-reliance. A regular bath in the morning, except with very feeble and delicate subjects, has always an invigorating effect. There is no more sure sign of a shallow mind than the habit of seeing always the ludicrous sides of the things. An honest hater is often a better fellow than a cool friend, yet it is better not to hate at all. There is no virtue that Dr. Arnold labored more sedulously to instill into young men than the virtue of truthfulness. The teachers of morality goes like angels, but they live like men, or though they live like men. Massacres and disorders never have the way to peace. Natural thirst is more deliciously gratified with water than artificial thirst is with wine. Women was not meant to be either an unthinkable drudge or the merely pretty ornament of men's leisure. The real dignity of a man lies in what he has, but in what he is. They say the lion and the lizard keeps the code, while Jamshid gloried and drank deep. When I am dead, my dearest, sing no sad songs for me. If he, Lord Beaconsfield, was ambitious, his ambition was a noble one. Suffer the little children to come unto me, and forbid them not, for of such kingdom, for of such is the kingdom of God. Heard melodies are sweet, but those unheard are sweeter. I awoke one morning and found myself famous. When the blind lead the blind, both shall fall into the ditch. One generation passed away and the other generation come, but the earth abide forever. A man has no more right to say an uncivil thing than to act one. Let us shun extremes, for each extreme necessarily engenders its opposite. Though this be madness, yet there is method in it. The heavens declare the glory of God, and the firmament showeth his handiwork. Every good tree brings forth good fruit, while corrupt tree brings forth evil fruit. More service is true service if it lasts. For my part, I always bungle at all kind of sports that require either patience or adroitness. There are many truths of which the full meaning cannot be realized until personal experiences has brought it home. He may be right or wrong in his opinion, but he is too clear-headed to be unjust. ये थी आपकी एक्सरसाइज, आपको समझ में आई? टाइप करिए ASA एजुकेशन। मिलते हैं अगली एक्सरसाइज में।